Traditional marketing has been about campaigns, and you think about within a marketing organization, how can we get that next campaign out the door? Or my least favorite term of all is blast an email. Let's send an email blast to that list. And that is just a campaign, and we're humans. I think what people forget when it comes to marketing is we are humans talking to other humans. Now, we do it on a broad scale, so it's not, we try to make it one-to-one, but in reality it's one-to-many, and we try to personalize it. But there's ways to make your campaigns and turn them into conversations. And the way to do that, I think, first and foremost, is just to be human and to create content that other people are going to engage with. And I think too often we just think sort of like with the email list, we got this email list and we got to get this email out the door, but you're telling a story. You're really building a story about why your company, why your brand is so special and so different. And I think the other key is, what you have to remember, it's not all about you. People don't care about you, the individual. I mean, they care about Lady Gaga and Justin Bieber, but they don't care about you or I. They don't care about your company or your brand. I mean, there's very few brands out there that people go nuts over, that people will wait in line when a new phone comes out, people will wait in line for. But most of us are just trying to make our product a little bit more exciting. And I think the problem marketers get into is they say, hey, look at us, let's tell us everything about us, and I think our audience is gonna love this. Well, they don't care about you. They really don't. I think that's the hardest thing. I can tell you, personally, it's a hard one for me to get over because I want to tell my story. I think our company has interesting stories to tell, but nobody cares. They care about how it impacts their world. And so if you can build that story and create, it's the analogy that's always given is around dating. You don't want to be on your first date and talk about yourself all the time. You want to ask about the other person, and you want to have a two-way conversation. And people say all the time, well, how can I do a two-way conversation when it's online? That's sort of tricky. But the way to do it is to speak as if you were speaking to another person, not as if you were a company saying how awesome you are. So speak like humans, have real interactions. When people respond, here's another thing, when it comes to email especially, if somebody responds to your email, respond back. Don't respond with a template. Respond back like a human being and say, hey, love to help you. I mean, that's how you would respond if you're in person. You can have those same exchanges and conversations online as you can in person. You just have to make it very human.